AI everywhere. Data-driven decisions, composable architectures redefine the future. The digital landscape is evolving faster than ever, and staying ahead means understanding what's next. Welcome to the 2025 Digital Trend Report. For many, the challenge isn't access to AI, but understanding how to apply it. Built into nearly every tool we use, and its potential seems limitless. There's a massive overlap between capabilities of platforms and the tools, and add to that the unknown implementation cost and efficiency gain, which means that the true cost and value of AI is really hard to estimate. That's why 2025 won't be about experimenting with AI, it's all about implementing it in the right way. The European Union is introducing regulations like the Digital Product Passport, the Accessibility Act, and the Corporate Sustainability Reporting Directive, just to mention a few. These can be seen as legal checkboxes, but they can also be seen as an opportunity to improve your quality of data and your customer experience. In 2025, the smartest won't just comply, they'll use the regulation as a springboard to create focus and to invest to accelerate their customer experience. Composable architectures is for the cool kids. Everyone races for giving themselves the ultimate flexibility on the newest tech on the block. Because the promise is big: flexibility, scalability, and tailored solutions to your business needs, as easy as assembling a Lego set. But the truth is that following a composable path is a long-term play and investment. And now, going past the honeymoon phase of composable, the market starts to realize it's not just a quick fix with a low price tag. Where some will be continuing their composable journeys, others will be heading towards more simpler solutions. As we move into 2025, two priorities really stands out: data and people. First, data quality. AI might be the future, but it's only as good as the data behind it. With the constant change, you need to be able to execute change with clarity and speed in how you operate, how you organize, adopt new technology, and reskill your team. Your success in 2025 will be driven by how well you empower both your data and your people. These are four of the trends shaping tomorrow's digital landscape. Do you want the full story? Our report explores these trends and more, giving you the insights to act with confidence. Download your copy today.